Hey, this is Justin00ish, and I'm bringing you a butterfly knife video. These two are mine, and I'll be showing you some of the tricks I know with them. It's not very many, but still I want to do it. First I have this one, which I actually got recently. It's the better of the two, definitely. I have this one, which is beat up and in some of my other videos. Very beat up. It actually has nails, bent nails for the pins there, because they're missing, obviously. This one's in basically perfect condition. It's got the pins, everything works. The lock here. This lock just kind of does what it wants. It's old and wore out. It doesn't stay. This one does. Okay. Now, for those of you who know how to do these and can do them better, might as well just leave it. I don't know what any of these are called or if they even have names. Oh well. First one's just simply opening it, closing it. Right. And then you can go from having it in this position to having it in this position quite easily. Okay. From here, maybe I should have practiced a little bit before I started this. From here to here. From here to here. And also do it with this one. Oh, this one weighs a lot more, by the way. I've practiced a lot with this one. This one's kind of newish, so I'm not as good with it. This one I'm used to. From here to here. And then there's a lot more you can do. A lot of them that you throw it up in the air, which I'm not going to attempt as of now. Let's see, there's one more I can do. It's where you actually hold the wrong side where the blade can get you. You actually have to hold that side. And what you do is you roll it around your hand and then catch it with the right handle. And I'm gonna attempt that right now. Let's see here. Oh, you also hold it upside down too with the wrong handle. So I'm gonna try not to get cut on YouTube. Here we go. I have the right handle now. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, so I will do it again. Try it again. And I will now attempt that with the other one. A lot lighter weight. And you can see the big one is a lot thicker, heavier. So yeah, try with this one now. Flew right out of it. Got it. Let's try it again. Got it, but not smoothly. Let's try it again. Practice makes perfect, I actually caught the blade that time. Not good. There we go. Perfectly. I like this one a lot. I'm just gonna have to practice with it more. It's sharp. Both of them are. This one's really sharp. Yeah. broke the tip on this one. Can't tell on the video, but it's actually flattened. Can you tell the difference here? Not sure. The tip on this one's brokenish. I dropped it. Landed like that in the porch and stuck there. It's a tink. I can also do them both at the same time, which is a lot harder, being how as they're totally different sizes, weights. And I'm not that good with my left hand. I can do it, but it's harder. So I'm gonna try and do them both at the same time. Just simply opening. Let's see here. And closing. I can't really get it on camera. Let's see here. Opening. Close. Lock gets in the way. Opening. Close. Let's try switching. Try them this way. Opening. Close. Actually, let's see if I see my left. Well, you know I'm not cheating because this one keeps going out of frame. I can do it. Same time. Huh. See, looks cool, doesn't it? You just swirl it around. I'm stabbing stuff. My girlfriend doesn't like these. She's afraid I'll cut myself. Highly likely. Not on purpose though. I like them. Messed that up. Alright, I think I'm about done making an idiot of myself on the internet. Like always. This is Justin00ish. I'm gonna try to get more videos in. I'm going to hopefully have one with my girlfriend on here soon. I said I was going to, but haven't yet. So I'll be making more videos hopefully. It's hot in here. I'll be making more videos hopefully. And this is just my butterfly knife. How-to kind of thing. If you want to know step by step on how to do these, and actually it's like a flashback, I guess. Is that what they're called? When you like feel like deja vu. I'm not sure if I have another one of these videos on here about this. Seems like I've done this before. Probably should have checked before I made this. Anyways, if you want step-by-step directions how to do what I done, or if you want me to learn more advanced tricks, then try to teach you, I will gladly do it. Leave comments, message me, and like it. Please like it. That helps a lot. Like my videos. Check out some of my other videos. Justin00ish signing out.